Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. If you're resonating, then do let us know. Leave a comment on the channel as to how the readings are. Today, before I start the readings, I would want you all to start your day with Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. But when you're chanting this, offer some prasad to Lord Ganesha. It can be a fruits or sweets or whatever you want, and burn a ghee lamp in the morning. Now when you're burning the ghee lamp, in that ghee lamp add one elaichi, one cardamom, and then you burn. And if possible, on the cotton wick apply some haldi, and then you burn that lamp for your day to be prosperous. So let's see what is the card. Okay, two cards have come out, so let's see. Seven of coins and the judgment card. So when I see these cards, one second, let me just set these cards. Now the judgment card makes me to feel as if there's an angel standing in front of you, and she is just ready to awaken you from what is, maybe it's a wake up call, maybe it is, see the unlimited resources around you, and don't get sad, don't get upset that, you're all alone, and there's a lot of blessings which this angel is ready to give you, provided you understand these blessings and then you take the right call. Because when you understand the blessings and when you take the right call, you will get the efforts for the labor that you've put. So basically it will be like, fruits of your labor. Reevaluate yourself, see what you need to do today, see how you need to do today, because sometimes when you do a reevaluation, you will know where you're going wrong, and you will know what has to be done, so that you are successful in whatever venture you're starting today. So don't work much on investments today, just work on evaluating things, and how you can work hard for your better future. Today I would suggest to wear the color green, and specifically dark green. And I've already said you need to work on the Ganesha in the morning, and if possible in the evening, once you're free, do the Kubera Mudra today with that one thing that you desire to manifest. And I'm sure that Lord Kubera is going to help you in manifesting whatever is in terms of desires you have, and not knowing how to make it happen, or not knowing how to fulfill it. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.